All right, folks, just like our video from a couple weeks ago, this one's going to be on the shorter side, given that this is a reading and quiz week, just like we had 2 weeks ago. Of course, 2 weeks ago, you were reading for your usability test report, chapter 13, in preparation for your discussion and group submission. That, as of you all watching this video, is now in the can, and both assignments will be graded and returned this week. Similarly, this week, you have your fourth quiz that will be posted, just like all the ones before this, on Wednesday, and it'll be due Sunday. So that is the 22nd, Wednesday, as of 12 a.m., to the 26th, Sunday, a minute before midnight. So same as we've had already, 10 questions, 50 points. And this is just going to be on chapter 13 with usability test reports. A lot of information in that chapter, so I'm going to try to be as inclusive, let's say, as I can. Okay, so progress report. That is the last piece of the group project before you all assess all of your documents as a part of this total project. Make the necessary edits and changes you might need to make. We'll talk more about this in the coming couple weeks. We only have a few weeks left of class. Final grades are due, I believe it is the 11th, August 11th or 12th, something like that. I think I have our final portfolio due on the by the 9th, okay, of August. So kind of keep that in the back of your head. You know, we're not too far away from the end here. So in terms of our overall project, which has been the frame of this whole course during this summer semester, we have one part of that left, the progress report. You'll learn about that in chapter 17. And then after that, it is going back, reviewing all your documentation from letter of inquiry, from the proposal, the test report, the progress report. You're going to be looking at all those, reevaluating all of those, maybe making little grammatical updates, mechanical updates, making sure everything is as professional and clean and crisp, and following the assignment parameters to the T. So it's going to be a revised version, your portfolio, of everything you've done already. And that's going to be basically counting as your final exam for the term, okay? So one more 10% activity, your final activity in the group project itself, is the progress report. That's going to be next week, due by the end of next week. By that Sunday, the discussion will have been due by that Friday. But again, this week is just our fourth quiz, posted Wednesday, lasting to Sunday, and it is a reading week on progress reports for chapter 17. Okay? So, it looks like everybody in the course is doing rather well. So, you know, if you were doing what you've been doing up to this point, continuing apace, you're probably going to get the grade you have been given for all assignments up to this point. Again, as we are doing group team activities here, I do rely on you all to be honest and forthcoming with letting me know if not everybody is coming to the table here, because that's critical in a class such as ours, okay? So I'll continue to rely on that. So without belaboring the point anymore, everybody, I'm just here to put in a little FaceTime with you all this week. I think it's pretty straightforward. And I'll see you again with the rollout of next week's video on our progress report, discussion, and assignment submission, okay? I will sign off. Wish you all a great week. Talk to you next time.